Let me gush on this dish before I go through it. It's easy to make, it tastes amazing, it's ridiculously fast. I'm talking less than 30 minutes if you start your rice now. It makes enough to feed about 6 adults, so it's great to make for others or for yourself since the leftovers taste better. Also, it tastes really f***ing good. Let's get to work. First thing is to get the chicken ready. Thighs or drumsticks are best. You can use the breasts, but they're the driest blandest part of the chicken. I still love them, but in this case, we're going for max flavor. You can buy bone in. Not gonna lie, I've deboned once and I can't see myself doing it again, at least not for this recipe. In this case, I'd say boneless, skinless thighs are number one. The secret to the chicken is covering it in yogurt. Higher percentage is better because fat's flavor. 2 pounds of chicken needs half a cup of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of salt. You can marinate them, but I don't think I could taste the difference and I want things fast. Now. We want to char on the chicken. Like I said, max flavor. Did I say max flavor? Broil it 6 inches away for 16 minutes, flipping it once at 8 minutes. Make sure you line your sheet or you're f***ed. You can get similar results on the barbecue too. Butter or ghee, it doesn't matter to me. I usually use butter because it's less expensive and easier to find. So in 2 tablespoons of butter, dice up 1 big onion, 5 teaspoons of garlic, and 4 teaspoons of ginger. Add them all in and cook this for about 10 minutes until everything starts to brown. While this is cooking, it'll give you time to flip your chicken. Look at that char. And get your spice mix together. You might not have all these spices, I didn't, but think of it as an investment in your future of flavor. It's 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of cumin, and half a teaspoon of pepper. All right, 10 minutes is up, add your spices into the pot and cook it for a few more minutes. It should get nice and pasty, and don't worry about it sticking to the bottom. It's all flavor. Flavor. Now you're gonna wanna add 2 cups of tomatoes. You can use any tomatoes you have, crushed, stewed, whole, paste. I just use whatever I have jammed in the back of my cupboard. If you're gonna use paste, mix half a cup of paste with 1.5 cups of water to get your 2 cups. Just watching this back, like I want this now. 1 cup of cream, fatter's better. Use 35% if you're bougie, but I'm not. 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. That's it for ingredients. Here's my challenge. If you make this dish and you like it, you gotta come back, you gotta subscribe to my channel and like the video. Hit it with the stick blender and blend it up real good. You wanna get all that fenugreek broken up. Oh, look at the chicken. Black. That's exactly what you want. That's all the flavor. Shred it, chop it, chunk it, get it into bite-sized morsels and get it in that sauce. With another 2 tablespoons of butter or ghee. Like, this is it. This is seriously it. It's done. That's the whole recipe. Just mix it. Just get it coated, get it sauced up, get some out of the pot, on the counters, in your mouth. I need this. I need to have this now. I like to have it on rice with a side of naan. You know, carbs on carbs, baby.